All right, today I want to quickly show how to disable the seatbelt chime on a Gen 4 Dodge Ram that is 2009 to 2018. So this is the procedure for if you have a push button start. So truck is off, keys on me, seatbelt has to be on, so put the seatbelt on. And then what you do is you just click, don't put your foot in the brake like you're going to start it. You just press the button twice. 1, 2. Now it's in run. Okay, wait for it to boot up real quick. Okay, boot it up. Now, what you do, seatbelt on and off 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The light of the seatbelt just went off. Now turn it off. There, when you hear that chime, that means you have successfully disabled the seatbelt chime.